Day 5 going live. You may have noticed I'm not going live every single day, but today's day 5 going live. And, sometimes we just have to give ourselves the grace of, the intention was to go live every day for 30 days, starting 30 days ago. And I started on like day 17, and then I've only done 4 lives since then. And now, like, the challenge is over, and I'm on day 5. Um, but this mentor who set this up, Monique Alvarez, she's one of my favorite mentors and guides, and she's an amazing publisher. And she helped me publish my first 3 books that are bestsellers. So I just adore her content, her guidance, and she's always talking about storytelling. That's what this challenge was all about. Was like, do storytelling, go out and share with the world who you are, and just show up as you, and just show up, like, just do more lives. And I think I said in my first video, if you caught that one, that even though I do a lot of video content and I feel pretty comfortable on camera, I was still really nervous and hesitant to do these live videos. And I've only done one live on Instagram. Speaking, just brief segue, the live I did on Instagram last week was an interview with my client Angela, who's an esthetician in Maui, and I really, really enjoyed going live and interviewing another business owner. And that really makes sense because I've got a degree in journalism and I've been in publishing since middle school, right? Like, I was doing publishing stuff in middle school and high school. I was a design editor in high school. I was editor in chief of the newspaper in high school, and then in college, I was also did layout and design for the college newspaper, and then I also did layout, writing, and design at the Women's Center publication as well as the YWCA, and I also sold ads. So I've been involved in publications all like since my adolescence, and then for I think 9 years here in Maui, I worked for Maui no Koe magazine, which is a beautiful publication, and I did their I did their website and email marketing for like 9 years. So I do have a whole background in publishing, even though most people know me as a web designer and an SEO writer, and know that I support local businesses with consulting and all that good stuff. But really, I have a deep love and passion for publishing and for writing and storytelling and layout and all that good stuff. So today, the challenge asked me to go live and ask for something, make a request to you, my beautiful audience. And I'm going to keep this pretty short and sweet. I'm going to request that you, if you're willing, please share my website link, which I'll drop below, with 2 people in the DMs that you think might be a good fit for collaborating with me. Doesn't have to be someone who's looking to hire me specifically. That would be wonderful as well. But it could just be someone who wants to do an interview, wants to collab, wants to share each other's content on Instagram or Facebook. So, a writer, an author, a business owner, someone in Maui, it could be anywhere in the world, really. But I am asking, that's my ask for the day is, will you share my website link either on your Facebook page to your whole network, or select 2 people that you think would align and resonate with me and share it in a DM and just introduce us and say, hey, this is Adele. She's a website manager, a publishing manager. She's passionate about writing. She wants to help 5 people publish their first book this year, which is true. That is one of my big goals for the year is I want to help 5 people I know publish their first book. And here is an example of a very small but beautiful book of poetry that I published for my client this year. And this is her second book we published on Amazon as well. Actually, this one we published last year, and this one we published this year. And these are going to be part of a series. Eventually, there's going to be more poetry books to go with this, and some additional content as well for the Dream Guidebook. If you haven't heard me mention the Dream Guidebook, it's really amazing. Lynn documented her dreams and continues documenting her dreams. She's been over it's been like 10 or 13 years or something. And so she has all this wisdom about how to journal about your own dreams, like when you wake up in the morning and you're having dream recall. And so in this book, she gives you some step by step suggestions for how to connect to your dream state, how to set up a good sleeping environment for cultivating dreams. And then at the second half of the book is a journal where you can literally just start writing down symbols and pieces of your dreams, and then you can reference back to her pages where she's talking about how we each have symbolism that's unique to us in our dreams. So those dream books that talk about, this animal means this or this symbol means this, we don't really buy into that so much because your unique dream landscape is actually going to guide you into what's important and relevant. And Lynn really believes that you can heal yourself and heal your relationships by paying attention to your dreams. So I am also giving away a free copy of this book. So if you want to get a free copy, drop a comment below. And I will send one lucky person a free copy, or I might even send a couple different copies, or send copies to a couple different people. So if you want to get the guidebook for free, I am running a giveaway. All you have to do is drop a comment, and I'll be picking a winner after we've had a few people, like 10 people comment. Okay, so my ask for you is to share my website with 2 people that I should collaborate with. And I also just wanted to point out again that if you haven't connected with Lynn here in this space, you can visit her website at dreamgirlwriter.com. And if you're on Amazon and you're looking for gifts, these are both great gifts. Her poetry book is awesome and her dream book is really amazing. So that's all I got for today. I hope you're having a lovely Friday. If you're somewhere else in the world, it might be Saturday already. And this is Adele Brienne saying goodbye and aloha, and I'll talk to you soon.